Evening. Today I did one video regarding DroidCam. It's an app that turns an Android device into webcam for computer. It can be used for chatting on programs like Skype and Google, and also streams to YouTube and Twitch. And DroidCam can also be used as an IP webcam or surveillance camera, so it's very useful. And it connects the computer to phone. It can connect via USB or Wi-Fi. DroidCam is available for Windows and Linux, and also supports standard sizes of 640 into 480 and 960 into 720 and 1280 into 720 and 1920 into 1080. So however, MS Stream and Skype on Linux only support up to 1280 into 720 input. Anyways, just we'll check how it work and all, what are the features and how to do the work with this. We'll check in the video. So I'm showing here, see here, I opened the Play Store, and here again I am typing in Google Chrome DroidCam, and here you can see day 47 apps. See here some are details, and just scroll it down, and download Windows is there. I'm just I'm downloading DroidCam client, and beside also you can see I did dual video to show the settings and all, how my download is going in Play Store and all. So here you can check model number, device name and all. So you have to click on 7 times in a device, and here DroidCam client agreement has been there, and just to go for agreement, install. Just check how I'm doing, because I can't explain dual what is going on in Play Store, download and here. So I'm just explaining whatever is necessary. So here installing process, it will take some time. Finish. And here my app has been installed, and I am opening it. Allow USB debugging. And here you can see card and phone has been appeared. Connect. Now device IP, connect over USB. Now I just kept video, and I'm doing refresh. Connect. See here, you can see DroidCam client. We can use it in multiple purpose. So here I am showing how I am doing into see, I just turn my Android into camera cam webcam. So multiple purpose you can use. It's very good. I'm giving IP number. See here, I just change it. So if you want to use your Android as webcam, you can go through this, and you can also do this very easy. So hope this video is good. If you found it is useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.